everyone. My name is Daniel. I live in Dongguan City, China. And recently, I just need a monitor, so I decided to get one from the factory directly. And Dongguan City famous for its manufacturing of all kind of good products. So I just do some basic research and I found this factory and I think their product is good, especially the price. And you see, this is the monitor with the well packaged and it's 24. And the actual LED screen size is 23.6 inch with a ratio 16 to 9 widescreen. And the best resolution is 1920 by 1080, 60 hertz. And the maximum power consumption is 21 watts. And the port is VGA and the direct current power DC 2.0. Okay, so now let's unboxing this monitor. Okay, and it's well packed. Let me get it out of the box. Okay, this is the manual. And this is the charger and the DC point to 2.0. And also they have a VGA port line. Okay, that's the accessory. That's the accessory, and this is the box. And you can see it's well packaged. And this is the back. And let's get out the phone. Okay. Check out this is the base part. You see, the base part is the kind of a reinforced glass, or maybe you can call this tempered glass. And I think it's good for the base part. And okay, let's connect to the base part with a 3-point screw. Seems we need a screw. Let's take the screw. Okay, and let's get the base band. Oh, I think this is this way. Yeah, it's connected. And it's simple. Yeah, the structure is simple. And you just need to make the screws tight. It's okay. Okay. You still have a kind of remind you this is dangerous for the children. Yeah, you can see the screen also has a reinforced glass for better protection, and this is the back of the monitor, and it's kind of a OEM for a kind of name brand of Lego, and I think there's their own brand, Lego or Conwile. This is their own brand. Okay, so I this is the VGA port, and the power is the DC 2.0. I don't think it has a DVI or HDMI connector. I don't know what's here. This monitor don't have one. Maybe they have other options that also has a HDMI port. But for this one, the VGA is good to me, and I think it's great for me with a price about less than 60 USD dollars. I think it's a good choice for me. Okay. Later I will light it up. Wow! Light it up. Okay, that's the PC, and we can control the ratio. Yeah, it's VGA, and it's about, yeah, it's the best ratio. Okay. Okay, that is the unboxing video for today of this monitor. And if you want to know more information about this factory, and you want to distribute their products, or you want to try get a sample from them, you can. I will leave the contact in the video, and also the link of the website and their B2B platform link. You can contact for them for more details. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you.